Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some slick locks for Ford Econoline vans with the side sliding door. Let's get into it. All right, what we have here is our bag of slick locks. These always shipped in a little bag like this. This is the outer carton from the manufacturer. It's always in a bag. And this is going to be for Ford Econoline vans, those E-Series, the E150, 250, 350, and so on. This one is going to be for the Econoline that has the side sliding doors. You can also get the Econoline with the hinge doors, kind of like this Savannah behind us, where you have those two hinge doors like this. You can also get it with the side sliding door. If you have the side sliding door, you're going to need this kit. And the primary difference is going to be this bracket right here. This is a sliding door bracket for the Ford Econoline van. This is going to tie into some existing bolt locations on the vehicle, on the door frame. A lot of times it's going to go on your factory strike plate, and it's just going to sit up against the van. You're going to put a lock over here, and it's going to prevent you from sliding that door open because you have a lock in the way, basically, from opening that door. So we have one bracket here for our side door. On our rear door, we're gonna have two different brackets here. Again, a lot of times this integrates into bolts that are existing on the van with either your strike plate or your locking latch mechanism. You'll take those bolts out and put this in place over it. We have two bolts, one for each of those hinge doors in the back, or two brackets, one for each of those doors in the back. Then we have two locks. So we're gonna have one lock for our rear doors, because these two hasps are going to come together. Your lock's gonna go over top of that, and it's gonna keep those doors secure together, and you can't open it. And this is going to go on that side sliding door, one lock for that sliding door. It's gonna prevent that door from opening. Two locks, both keyed alike. So you actually get two locks, or two keys per lock with a slick locks kit. So in this case, you're gonna get 4 keys. All 4 keys are the same, can open up both locks. So you got plenty of spares here in case anything happens. You can also get replacement locks if you happen to lose one or something like that pretty easily as well. Also in here, we're going to have installation instructions on how to install it on this particular van. They also have a lot of installation videos on their website and their YouTube channel for how to install these on the Econoline. We don't happen to have an Econoline with us right now, so we won't be installing these. But this is everything that you get in the box. As you can see, there's no hardware included. So you are gonna be using existing bolts on the vehicle. You're gonna take some bolts out, slide these brackets underneath it, put those bolts back in. So it's a pretty easy installation, no drilling and things like that. You're gonna damage the vehicle like you have to do with a lot of other lock hasp systems and stuff like that. So if you're looking for these slick locks or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.